In this report, I'm going to discuss with you three specific reasons why so few Model Ys roll off the assembly line in Giga Berlin. The German publications report that Giga Berlin has problems, but as I discuss with you these three reasons, you will see that they're not problems, except one of them, like a chemical incident at Giga Berlin, but they are something solvable and there are very good reasons. So this is why Tesla should only be able to produce right now 350 Model Ys per week, and there could be several reasons for this that I'm going to discuss with you, including a chemical incident. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and help us to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of this year, please. So Tesla will only produce around 30,000 Model Ys in the new Giga Berlin factory in Grünheide by the end of the year. That would correspond to about just 350 vehicles a week. Actually, more than 5,000 cars should roll off the assembly line every week, Elon Musk had explained. In principle, the gigafactory should even produce 10,500 cars a week, which is currently 30 times less than planned. This is reported by Automobile Vogue with reference to internal circles. The first production Model Y from Grünheide had been criticized for their poor quality. But let's take a look at these things. I've reported yesterday and this morning about the situation in Giga Berlin. This report has new information that I want to share with you that are more specific. So Tesla expands and converts in Grünheide. Converting in Grünheide, and I'm going to talk about what I mean by converting, is one of the reasons Tesla is going cautiously. This is not a problem. Basically, the Giga Berlin plant in Grünheide should produce around 500,000 cars in the first year. Nothing will come of it, if only because of the conversion. In the fall, the brand new factory is to be converted to a new type of battery. Instead of the current 2170 batteries, people and machines they're going to re-equip the factory and install the equipment to start producing Model Ys with 4680 batteries. The first two numbers always refer to the diameter, 46 in millimeters, and the last digits to the height of the battery. So 46 millimeters with 80 millimeters. The larger batteries store more electricity in relation to their weight, which result in a higher energy density. The conversion will interrupt production for about 3 weeks at Giga Berlin, and according to the RBB Brandenburg's public radio, Tesla also wants to build a second production line in 2022, as I reported earlier today, which is expected to be in July. Then nothing stands in the way of the goal of building hundreds of thousands of vehicles. So this is why Tesla is going cautiously until it retools and re-equips the factory to start producing Model Ys with 4680 batteries. And personally, I'm looking forward to see what type of specs Tesla will offer with the Model Ys with 4680 batteries. So far, we have no word on that from Giga Texas as well. The second reason is far too few workers. I've reported in the past that Tesla, in order to produce Giga Berlin Model Ys at full throttle, needs at least 7,000 or 8,000 workers. Right now, Tesla have about 3,500. Now, like I said, the second reason why production is still running so slowly at Giga Berlin is said to be the staffing level. With around 3,500 employees, this is too thin. When fully expanded, 12,000 workers should be in the halls of Giga Berlin producing cars at Giga Berlin. 12,000 workers are great, but right now we're at 3,500, and Tesla can't make 500,000 cars a year with only 3,000 workers, 3,500 workers. 500 cars a year is about what? If we have 52 weeks per year and 500,000, that means 52,000 vehicles a year. Right now, Tesla is very little of that. So we need to staff more people, bring more people to Gigafactory Berlin, and Tesla is obviously actively hiring people for Giga Berlin. Only one shift is currently being worked. A second shift is to be added at the end of June, mid-July. Observers think that the location will probably not be able to achieve real volume production until next year. This is what the German publication is saying. By location, they mean Gigafactory Berlin. They think the real full throttle production at Giga Berlin will come next year, but there are steps to be taken. By the end of this month, Tesla will reach 1,000 vehicles per week. By the end of July, Tesla will let the second shift. Hopefully, by the end of July, Tesla will probably hire let's say a few thousand more workers, and in fall, Tesla will stop the production for about 3 weeks to re-equip the Giga Berlin factory, so Tesla can make Model Ys with the new equipment installed, new batteries, 4680 batteries. Now, it remains exciting to see how many electric cars Tesla can then deliver by the end of this year. And the third reason that I'm reading in German media is an incident in paint shop. Water board is appalled. So let's see what type of incident it is. While Grünheide is still ramping up production of Giga Berlin Model Y, there was an incident in the paint shop that has happened. The media reports, and I will have the link and references in the description of this video in case you guys want to check it. A liquid is said to have leaked, but it was completely caught in a collection container in the storage facility, writes the local newspaper MAZ. Again, apparently there was a liquid leak, but it was all collected into collection container. The spokesman for the plant, Thomas Frey, said no water polluting liquid escaped or leaked into the open air or into the ground. The Responsible Water Association criticized not having been informed. His spokeswoman Sandra Poneski said, "We are appalled that we were not aware of this and are not included in the reporting chain. Politicians are calling for the operation to be paused because the liquid apparently ran onto the street." Tesla states that a valve was not properly closed. That was the issue. At no time was there any danger to nature or to people. The production at Giga Berlin continues, but of course such incidents hopefully will stop or have stopped. And you see, Water Association is unhappy with this, that they were not informed. Maybe this was not a big deal to inform them. Maybe they should have been informed. I don't know the German laws and regulations, but I just wanted to let you know that there are these three reasons. First, the re-equipment of the factory is coming up. Far too few workers at Giga Berlin, and the leak. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring us the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Help us to reach our goal of 100,000 subscribers, friends, in our channel, and grow together. I greatly appreciate it. So what do you think about all of these things? How many Tesla Model Ys do you think, with all of this information, Tesla will produce by the end of the year? Let me know your thoughts. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, everyone. Let's discuss everything in the comment section below.